Now let's implement the functionality of the place order. Okay, how we are going to implement it. So this is our old functionality. So I am first try to implement the service layer or called handler layer. Okay. So to implement it, yeah, let's copy some code. Okay, so I am copying this same code. Okay, and I am putting it here. Yeah, it's a save order or place order. Okay, so it is the same request. Yeah, I am commenting this part for now because we are going to use it later. Okay, so now we need to get order here. So how we are going to get it? Basically we have the method called we need to get it from the request first thing first. So request dot body to mono. Okay, so we have the method called body to mono. So it's a single, anyway it's a single order. So what I need to get, I need to get the order. So I need to place I need to write a class name, the order dot class here, and it is going to return you the order from the request. Okay, so yeah, we have the mono of the order. Okay, we have the order mono. So I need to get actual order because it's a mono. So to get actual order I am using a flat map. Okay, so I have the flat map and it is now we get the actual order. Okay, so I have the order. Now I need to set, because we are going to return a server response. So I am again going to set server response dot. Okay, okay, after that what I need to say, I need to set content type. So if it is good, I am getting I copied this code. It is then, yeah, I am copying this code. So again I am setting the content type application.json, and I need to set last part is body. Okay, so it's a body. After that setting the body, I need to call the repository. We have the order repository. So order repository dot save. After save, we already have the order here. Okay, so I need to save that order. So I put order here, and I need to specify what kind of class it is I need to return. Okay, so it is nothing but a order dot class. Okay, so we have the order dot class. Okay, so that's it. Just write return in front of it. So yeah, it is quite big code. Okay, let's break this code. Server dot okay dot set content type and dot set body. Yeah, so this is for the save. So we are done with the service now. Now let's write with write router. So how we are going to write? Again I am going to add a new route here. I am copying this part, and yeah, I am adding new route here, and instead of this route I need to save it. So I am using this API route order place. So yeah, I copied it and put it here. So this method should be a post method instead of get. I make it as make sure it should be post, and it is accepting application.json, and instead of calling find all order I am going to call save orders. Yeah, that's it for now. So I am running it. Let's wait. So let's copy this API. I'm going to the postman, and this is our old API. Okay, and I put the new API instead of Shubham. I I write new name called Sam. Okay, Sam, and he have the same number, but instead of Ryzen 7, he get a Intel i7 processor. Okay, and yeah, gigabyte motherboard, still same. And instead of Napkur, he want order in consider it Pune. Okay, so I put Pune and let's send the request and see. Yeah, we get the ID generated from auto generated, which is from Mongo. So we actually save the request whatever we are sending from the postman. So yeah, that's it for save. Thanks for watching.